Anh chị em thân mến, bài tiếp theo của chúng ta là làm chủ thiên nhiên, sinh thái trong từng việc một, từng đơn vị một. 3. Tựa nhỏ của bài là Trong tầm nhìn của Laudato Si. Xin phép được trình bày. According to the encyclical Laudato Si, Christian ecology contributes a frank answer to a very specific question. What kind of world do we want to pass on to those who come after us? To children who are growing up. Indeed, in order to build an ecological environment like the Creator wants, to pass on a better world to our children, parents must make more efforts to cooperate with each other in building a common home. Humans need to actively intervene, regenerate, overcome, and rechoose what is good for the ecological environment. In order to make this issue relevant to contemporary life, mankind must directly answer the very basic questions as follows. 1. What did man appear on this earth for? 2. For what purpose does humanity work and struggle? Does one live to eat or eat to live, or both? And 3. Why does the earth need to be respected by humans? In fact, the encyclical Laudato Si offers some directional and rather concrete answers. Yes, clearly in faith, hope, love, the practical answers from Laudato Si are especially spread in 6 chapters, 246 numbers. 1. What is happening to our common home? 2. The gospel of creation. 3. The human roots of the ecological crisis. 4. Integral ecology. 5. Lines of approach and action. 6. Ecological education and spirituality. All are aimed at taking care of the common home. One of the focuses of Laudato Si is to emphasize and to promote an integral ecology as a demand of justice, to respect our unique place as human beings in this world, and our relationship to our surroundings. Indeed, who knows one's smell knows one's habits. The colorful world should mess me up, should make me wondrous. Please smile and say hello to show love to life. Saying hello, sorry, softly walking lightly. Saying pardon and sorry. Integral ecology also requires an adaptive ecology of mechanisms. If everything is related, then the health of a society's institutions has consequences for the environment and the quality of human life. Every violation of solidarity and civic friendship harms the environment. Those are also the highlights, the ecological features applied in daily life. That is to say, being created and coming into this world. Mankind is entrusted with the mission of developing creation. Human beings must strive to comprehensively promote the quality of life in a concrete way. In their rooms, in their homes, in their workplaces and neighborhoods, human beings use their environment as a way of expressing their identity. They make every effort to adapt to their environment. But when it is disorderly, chaotic, or saturated with noise and ugliness, such overstimulation makes it difficult to find themselves integrated and happy. Therefore, Laudato Si commends the creativity and generosity of all those who use the environment as an expression of their identity. Taking care of people and preserving the environment. From school matters, don't let the light go flicking. And social justice for human life, return to the family to take care of each individual. For in seeking to cope with the defects of the environment, whether individual or organization, all must express their identity by reducing the adverse consequences of circumstances and by learning to direct his life amidst chaos and instability. Protecting and preserving the environment, not letting the light go flicking. For example, when the facade, is a French word, facade, of buildings are degraded, people contribute to protecting and preserving the environment by trying their best to take care of the interior of their homes or fight contaminant in the kindness and friendliness of others. A wholesome social life can light up a seemingly undesirable environment. Moreover, a highly commendable ecology will form when our constructive efforts are courageous enough to overcome so many hardships to create and develop close, warm relationships with other communities. Accordingly, the limitations of the environment are compensated by a rich selfless inner life. And people feel more and more connected each day in a network of solidarity and belonging. All are called to solidarity and belonging because All are children of Mother Earth in the common home. That is a common space, a colorfully green nature, full of rich and diverse vitality of all things. We all form part of a natural interactive community to build, protect, and take care of the common home together. Và giờ đây là phần câu hỏi thảo luận giúp chúng ta đọc lại bản văn, tìm hiểu thêm và có thể suy niệm, nghĩ ra những hướng dẫn một cách đầy đủ, sâu sắc hơn. Câu thứ nhất: tại sao ta biết sinh thái học Kitô giáo góp phần trả lời thẳng thắn cho câu hỏi rất cụ thể: loại thế giới nào chúng ta muốn chuyển lại cho những người đến sau chúng ta, cho các trẻ em đang lớn lên, là con em chúng ta? Câu thứ hai: trong tin cậy mến, ta có thể đón nhận và sử dụng những câu trả lời thiết thực từ Laudato Si cho vấn đề môi trường, được thể hiện cách đặc biệt qua 6 chương nào, gồm 246 số đó. Câu thứ ba: có phải một nền sinh thái đáng ca ngợi sẽ hình thành khi những nỗ lực xây dựng của chúng ta có đủ can đảm vượt qua những gian khó để tạo lập và làm phát triển các mối tương quan gần gũi, ấm áp cho cộng đồng? Như thế nào? Vâng, thưa anh chị em, bài chia sẻ lần này hơi dài, nhưng hy vọng sẽ rất bổ ích nếu chúng ta có thời giờ để suy ngẫm và đọc lại, nghe lại những bản văn rất khoan thai để có độ ngấm cần thiết. Chào anh chị em và xin được hẹn gặp lại sớm trong bài kế tiếp. Maria, Đức Mẹ Chúa Trời, cầu cho chúng con là kẻ có tội, khi nay và trong giờ lâm